So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have a Voltas Inverter AC and the remote of that AC looks something like this and the remote of your AC is not working properly or the remote is damaged and you have to use your AC from mobile in emergency, then today I am going to tell you how you can very easily use the AC from the mobile. So let's start the video. Before using the AC from the mobile, keep in mind that if you have a Xiaomi Redmi phone, only then you can use the AC from your mobile, and that too without Wi-Fi connectivity, and you can use your AC offline anytime. So friends, first of all open the Play Store in your mobile. After opening the Play Store, search for Raza Remote, install Raza Remote. Raza Remote has been installed. Now agree to all the terms and conditions of Raza Remote. Now touch Add Remote. After that the main page of Raza Remote app will open. In the main page, go to the symbol of AC. Now make sure that you turn on the main supply of your AC. And now find Voltas. Now go to Voltas and use the mobile in the same way as you use the remote of AC. And now you can see in the screen of the mobile, matching Voltas 1 to 31. Now you can see the red color power button in the mobile. Now press this power button. If your AC is making a beep sound after pressing the power button, then you have to touch it worked. If your AC is not making a beep sound, then you have to do next. After that, the second remote will appear. If your AC is not connecting, then do next and continue this process. And until your AC is not making a beep sound, you have to keep doing next. Now if my AC is making a beep sound for the second time, then I will touch it worked now. After that, your remote will be completely made. I hope you have understood the information given by me, so please like my video.